Welcome to my channel. So today's in this video, that video is going to be very interesting. As you can see that this is one of the logical and reasoning questions. This type of question is coming in different competitive exams. So I have taken one of the competitive exam. The question is that it is given King is equal to PRAM. Then what will be the case in case of MAN? You have to find out. You have to follow this pattern and then you have to find out answer. Obviously, it is a multiple choice questions. These are the options are given to you. You have to find out the correct answer from that. So in order to solve this type of problems, you have to follow our techniques. So today I am going to show you the technique. I hope it will be very benefit for the students, those who are really going to appearing for competitive exams. Answer. So for that, these are the options given to you. For that, you have to write ABCD up to M here. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. After that, you have to write start N from here. N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now see, here K is coincide with P. K is coincide with P. That's why K, P. Check the I. I is here coincide with R, alphabet R. So I, here R. N and M, they are coincide with each other. So instead of N, there is M, right? Then check G. G and T, they are coincide with each other. So similarly, if I follow this pattern to find out this answer, what will be the alphabet here? So I have to follow this pattern. So M means N. M is coincide with letter alphabet N. So it should be N here. Then A is match with Z. Then N, check N is match with M. So the answer will NZM. Let's have a look the options NZM. So this is the correct option. So it should be N, Z, and M. Isn't it very interesting and easy? I hope it's clear to everyone. So if it is coming this type of questions in the exam, so you have to follow this pattern. So you have to write A to M, then in reverse in the downwards from here M to Z. Then try to match up, try to coincide with the alphabet with the other alphabet. In that way you can find out the answer very easily. I hope it's clear to everyone. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.